What's going on, guys? So we got a quick and dirty video for you guys. So you're looking to upgrade your suspension, right? Well, it's too expensive. So what you do is you get yourself a nice $5 sticker from eBay. You just slap that sucker on there. You got yourself some Öhlins. All right, thanks guys. Make sure to like, subscribe. Hey, wait. Hey, I got you. I'm just joking. We are actually going to be installing an Öhlins front fork kit onto my Z. So make sure to stay tuned. And before we jump into it, guys, I just want to plug the shirts a little bit before I just completely sweat through this shirt because it's freaking hot out. We got t-shirts on sale on Facebook page, link down below. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that's purchased one already. It really means a lot to us, guys. Thank you. All right, first thing we got to do is we're going to remove the handlebars and get the front end lifted up with the pit bull stand real quick. We'll be right back. And we're back, and I got the handlebars off, I got the front wheel off, the front fender off, and this is all stuff that you're going to want to do beforehand before you get too involved. And then next step is going to be removing or loosening this top clamp bolt to the clamp for the forks. Just loosen it a hair and then jump over to the other side and do the same. This is, I learned about doing this when I did my $15 fork mod on the Honda Ground. That was a terrible video, but for some reason it's our most viewed. And I just remembered from talking about that video, if you don't have a pit bull stand, like a pig nose stand or whatever, you can actually suspend your bike from a rafter in your garage or whatever. We have the drywall, so we can't be doing that. But yeah, you can do that. I've seen people, we've done it at the track where we strapped it to like an overhang thing, but whatever, you want to keep the front end off the ground so you can remove the forks. Or you could even put some jack stand fumbleage underneath the engine if you really wanted to do that. The next step is going to be removing this fork cap bolt. And you don't need a 17mm Allen key, but it helps.
What the
I don't know. I really like that.
This is just as stupid as the $15 fork mod.
It really is. Hey, what is it with forks? I don't know.
Today we're gonna make 5 punchy forks.
But in all seriousness, you do need a 17mm Allen key socket. You can get them on Amazon for like 10 bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description. Or you can try to find a bolt that fits in there and then put 2 nuts and loosen it that way. Just spend the $10. Alrighty. And also, you need an impact gun, or you can use a breaker bar, whatever. Okay, ooh, that's spinning. Alright, just cracking it loose. And we're going to do the other. Actually, no, we're just going to worry about one side at this time. Getting ahead of myself. It was really a joke, but we had time to kill. So, you can actually pull your drain plug out and stick it on there. And then you just got to find 2 nuts and lock them on there, and you'll actually be able to get that fork cap bolt, that's it, out of there. Fork cap plug, whatever. Yeah.
You might as well just buy the tool.
Yeah, just buy the tool. Before you start fumbling around with your nuts, trying to find 2. I can't even say with a straight face. But before you try to fumble around with your nuts and try to find them, you're just better off spending the $10.
Those are some big nuts.
Demonetized. And now we need to remove this, the bottom clamp bolt, and it's going to be a 10mm. And check out the TST Mac GTR turn signal video if you haven't already. Another shameless plug. Why not? And slide it on out, and you got your fork. I don't know if this is compression or rebound. I'll let you know on the screen. And now we're going to take off the clamp. Whoop. Let's see. Holding the bottom. Okay. All right, I know what I'm doing now. Not really. But why is that? No. Why is that loose? Why is that at an angle? What the heck? Okay. All right. So at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the fluid, and just let her drain. While you're letting that one drain out, you can set it right there, and you can actually go ahead and remove the other fork. Being proactive, not reactive. Don't ask me what that means. I don't even know. Do I even know what I'm doing at all?
No.
What is the meaning of life? Things I contemplate.
New use for the OTV cam cover.
Is it really?
It's right on it.
Oopsie. Never easy with forks, apparently. So I was trying to remove this ring, this lock ring off camera, and this set screw did not want to come off. And I actually almost stripped it out. So, but if you're having issues getting it like loosened, what you need to do is take the blowtorch that you're gonna have to buy as well, because you're gonna need to do that in the next step. What I ended up doing was using the blowtorch around this ring, away from the set screw, but over on this side. Probably, I don't know if you can see it, but just there, and it expanded enough to where I could get it, and it's loose and off there. And then you should be able to easily remove the top cap bolt thingy. I don't know why I can never remember the name of it. Let's remove that off. Holy cow. There's like a million sets of threads in here. There we go. All good. And take that off and drain the fluid. But we already did that. Next step is going to be, you have these little tabs around the outside that are pressing this on there. What you need to do is like take a pick or screwdriver and tap those out so that they're flat so you can easily slide that off. So I'll do that off camera because it's a pain in the butt. All right, so that was more of a pain in the butt than I thought it was going to be. But just take your time, and then you want to take a deep socket. Where'd that socket go? Hit that bumper down so that you release a little C-clip spring thingy. And you want to get that out of the groove. Don't try to lose it like I'm about to. Woo. Crap. Woo! Got that out. And now I really need to clean up that shaft because we kind of messed it up a little bit. Yeah, because you want to be able to slide this off easily. So, yeah, use a file, some sandpaper, whatever. And now that we have the shock flipped over, we are going to remove this set screw all the way out. Fire time! That audio probably sounded like crap, but whatever. Let's see if I can do it first try. Woo! There we go. I don't know why it's such a pain in the butt. All right, you don't need propane, but it helps. I don't know the propane and propane accessories reference, but I'm sure Kyle does.
Yeah.
What is that? What show? Not Family Guy.
Not Family Guy.
American Dad?
No.
Bob? It's Bob.
No.
What is it? Leave a comment. We're done. We can't figure it out right
I
now.
know the show.
Ah!
It's the country guy.
Yeah.
I used to watch them all the time.
Propane and propane accessories.
King of the Hill.
King of the Hill. Sure. I don't know. I don't remember.
King of the Hill.
Alrighty. I forgot the... Oh, I got it right here. So, propane helps. You can use a hair dryer, heat gun. I just wanted to buy propane because I like fire.
Propane too.
Yep. Boom. All right, so we're going to heat this up. You want to keep moving around. You don't want to burn your paint. Just keep moving around. It's going to take a lot of heat because we got to loosen up the red Loctite.
If it's red Loctite, then why are you using a blue flame?
Oh, no. Stay.
Hazardous.
Yep. All right. I got a drill bit or a drill, or you can use a stock axle. It should be fairly simple to loosen up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's going to smell burnt. That's fine.
That's what you want.
Wait. Oh, damn. I didn't tighten it enough, or Kyle didn't actually tighten it enough.
Well, I didn't want to break it.
All right, let's try that again. There we go. That's it. Should be easier. Probably need more heat. All right, going for more heat. Dinger, how do you do this all the time?
Go high. No. Yeah, and then put it, no, put it more down. Like this. Yeah.
No, you're supposed to heat it.
No.
Hey, there we go. All right, more heat time. Be right back. Focus around this area.
This commercial is brought to you by Z-Garage T-shirts. Go pick yours up today.
It's probably not supposed to be this hard, but you know, this is Z-Garage. We do what we want. We find parts. I had to bleep that. I'm sorry. Trying to be all advertiser friendly. That's the word.
Speaking of advertisement, get a Z-Garage shirt today.
Yeah, since actually not a lot of our videos get demonetized, so, but still, we don't make much money off YouTube, so whatever. Hey, we're off. This is hot. Set it down on the ground and shake your hands like you just don't care. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Hey, spoiler alert! I got black fork bottoms off of SE that I bought that was wrecked. That was supposed to be a track bike, but no one ever found out about it because it had a bent frame. There you go. So much behind the scenes in this video.
And the frame that is bent sits where?
Up there! Why we still keep it, I don't know. Whatever. All right, hey, we're off. Okay, hey. Hey, that's hot.
That's hot.
Hey, dummy, that's hot. Use all in one. Okay? Spring.
Hey, that's hot.
Hey, that's hot. God damn. You can tell it's late. I haven't eaten dinner, so.
Hey, Justin, you know what else is hot? That Z-Garage shirt.
Oh my gosh, Kyle. What else is in here?
We might sell some shirts, man.
Wait, isn't that supposed to come out? No, that inner shaft is not supposed to come out. That is supposed to come out. Come on, come on. Oh, push this up. Hot, still. Get out. There it is.
Hey! I don't know if I got that.
I don't know. You won't want to leave. You don't want this part to come out, but it's really hot, so I don't want to touch it. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good for your fork seals. Whoopsies. So if the compression side, oh my gosh, I did it again. Ow! Don't get your finger stuck in the,
I don't even know what's going on.
ow. All right, maybe you should really pay a professional to do this. We are definitely not professionals.
This took us way over 3 hours.
What?
I said this is going to take us way over 3 hours.
Yep. Alrighty. Let's go back into the fan side. Oh my gosh.
I gotta do mine.
No. Alright, sorry for the shaky cam. Alright, so we got 2 part numbers. Where is the focus? Right there. 04 is for the lightweight. I'll talk more about this later. O is for the lightweight. 5 is for the fat bodies. That's it. You got something to say, Kyle? You saying something?
What are you saying, that you're part of the fat bud? You know, I'm working on your bike.
Thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it. All right, like I said before, we're using the black bottom. Yours is still going to be silver. And you're going to use the bumper that comes with the kit, the fat person spring, the Öhlins valve thingy, the stock top-out spring, the stock bumper, the stock C-clip thing, so don't lose that, and the Öhlins cap. All right, so we're just clean all this off because I'm working on a dirty workbench. Probably not the best conditions, but we do what we want on Z-Garage. So we're taking that on there. We're going to load it into there. This is a stock top-out spring. Easily, whoop, push this in. Kind of let that go. Not worrying about that. I'm going to take the top spring. I'm going to clean this off in a second. Wish we weren't out of brake clean. Sorry for using it all. Okay. Fat spring. And we're going to come over to the clamp. and put the bottom section in. Now that we got it back in the clamps, we're going to apply a good amount of red Loctite, so the next time that we do this, we hit ourselves for putting so much red Loctite on. But you know, that's what the instructions say, so might as well. Oh, well, yep. We're going to do that. We're going to take the spacer doodah, shove it down in there, and put this fork leg back in there, trying to compress it. Oh man, really? Okay. Some pressure in there. Trying to get it started. Oh, there we go. Yep, okay. And we're going to use our drill bit. Man, this drill bit has really a lot of uses.
Never a drill bit.
Oh, we used it as a drill bit once, like 3 years ago, in Tony's car.
Oh, because it couldn't reach.
Yeah, we were drilling up under a dude's dash. Alrighty, there's probably...
Was it the dash? I thought it was in the back seat.
No, it was for the dash.
I thought it was in the back seat and we were running airlines. I'm glad we stopped.
Cars?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Like some more.
Alrighty, I feel like... Ooh, is that... I don't know. I don't know how you do a torque spec with a screwdriver or a drill bit. I feel like that's good enough. I'm gonna clean off that lock tight.
Clean off that lock.
Tight. And then, where is that set screw?
I don't know what
Right here. Got it. And then you're just gonna put the little set screw in, I believe. I don't know. Honestly, it doesn't say. But I don't know. I just feel like that is what is gonna be needed to be done.
Who says?
Z Garage says. All right, boom. There we go. This side is done. No, it's not. Dang it. You gotta have to do the top side. Okay, we'll be right back. And now we're putting the stock bumper back on. And the stock C-clip, circlip, whatever the name of it is. It's a clip that just clips and, yeah, I'm going to take that back off. Kind of compress it a little bit. You're probably not supposed to reuse these, but, you know.
What's the worst that could happen?
I mean, we are professionals at the Z Garage.
Professionals are our own way.
Yeah. All right, boom. And then probably, yeah, I don't know what to do from here. Give me a second.
You put that doodah on.
I don't know. But how does that, and what you're going to do is you're going to need 200 cc's of Öhlins fork fluid. Honestly, I don't know if it makes a difference, but Greg from Man in the Box recommended this, so I trusted him. And we're going to slowly pour it in. Oop. Oh wait, is this not going to work, is it? Eh. That's why they do the cap thingy. Okay. I'm going to just...
Can't you just pull this up?
No, it's got, you gotta you gotta sponge the, ooh. And probably if you put the cap on, it's easier, but just take a rag and kind of try to get that air out, you know, makes that funny noise that everyone makes a joke about. I don't know. I don't know, I'm trying to have fun with it, guys. It's been a long day. We're just gonna slowly add it in and just keep doing that, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I see how that works. So, here, I don't know if you can get a shot of that. Give me a sec, let me grab my phone. Just think if we were live streaming this.
Dude, Facebook would have ran out of memory.
Oh my gosh. Let us know if you want us to start live streaming again. Oh my gosh. I mean, we still need to start video gaming again.
Well, you need to practice.
I haven't touched that. Honestly, I haven't touched that race sim since the last time we live streamed.
Well, I tried to get you to do it. But...
Oh yeah, this is getting a lot stiffer. That's what she said. God, so mature. Okay, 200 cc's.
At this point, if they're still around, they're not watching it for how to install this. They're watching it to watch you.
Look like a dummy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really stiff. God damn. Oh my gosh. Can we be more mature people? All right, you're gonna take your sexy black Öhlins fork cap. There's the word. Thread that.
Öhlins on it, don't it?
It does. Woo!
Focus.
Come on,
focus. Dang it.
Spot focus?
There it goes. It did it.
Oh, look at that. It's like one of those like rotating wheel thingies. And at least Öhlins was smart enough to put a little groove in there. So you use a 10 millimeter wrench and then a 10 millimeter socket on the top. It's supposed to be like 10 foot-pounds or something. We still haven't still haven't bought like an inch-pounds gun or torque wrench. That's the word. So yeah, ooh, and you're gonna slide that up. Whoa, probably not, just supposed to use that.
Yeah, I think so.
It doesn't really matter. We're just gonna snug it up for now. And then we can put it back on the bike. But I got to do this other side, the rebound side. I figured it out. Right side is rebound, RRC. Compression is left, CL. I don't know. Craigslist.
CL?
Yeah, whatever. Left side is compression, right side is rebound. Okay. We'll be right back once everything's done. All right, we got the other side done. And now we have the forks reinstalled onto the bike. We have just the bottom clamps tightened down. And you want to leave the top clamp bolts loose. This was my issue before on the Grom. I almost stripped my forks out. So these are just hand tight right now. And what you want to do is, I've heard you use a piece of cardboard. I'm sure Kyle can get a different shot. Just to, because you want to protect the black anodizing. This is kind of a pain in the butt. And you just keep going like that. It's supposed to help protect it. I don't know. You can do it that way, or you can just get a socket and put it on there and tighten her down.
Send it.
Yep. That was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. Walker says it's a 3-hour job. I guess if you have the right tools and the know-how, you can get it done. And if you're not shooting a video, that always sucks. Like, oh yeah, it's a 20-minute job. 3 hours of shooting video. But whatever. I am very interested in getting this thing out on the track this weekend, going down to the Herring compound, test everything out. Probably should ride around the block a couple times before I get to it. But whatever. Make sure to check out the next video of me testing everything out, getting my feedback. And yeah, and also make sure to pick up your Z Garage t-shirt and stickers. Got a bunch on the website, and actually any orders that come within the first week after this video, we'll be getting a free can koozie. You know, keep your adult beverage or Monster Energy, whatever, drink. Capri Sun. I don't know how that would fit in there, but whatever. You get a free can koozie, bottle koozie, whatever. That will be in the box, and as well as a Z Garage sticker. That was not a word, whatever. It's really late.
A sticker.
Sticker. Oh, and suckers. We give out suckers, blow pops.
Yeah.
So.
Have you seen our wrapping?
Actually, I left those at home, so they get priority mailboxes. Whatever. Sorry, I failed. Whatever.
Some of the wrapping they could get if they would have ordered.
Woo! If they would have ordered before I left Wisconsin. Whatever, guys. Sorry for dragging this video out. maybe you should just have a shop do it if you are like us and not that well skilled. Yeah. So I guess we'll see you next time. That was a really long outro.
18 minutes.
Not no 18 minutes. All right. I'm going home. Deuces. Kyle, you can clean up.